Hey, I go camping a lot and I've been real pleased with this Ogre Camping Light. It's very flexible. You can use it for a lot of things. And in fact, I've used it not just for camping. I live in an area where the power company, because we're not far from forested areas, wants to turn off the power lines when it gets too windy. The power lines can spark a fire, and so, you know, in California next door, millions and millions of acres of forest land have been burned because the power lines hit a tree, it sparked, it started a fire, they couldn't get it out in time, and it burned zillion of acres. Anyway, so, you know, they turned my power off, and, you know, at night I like to have some light, and you don't want to trip over things. And what's good for camping? Well, this Ogre light is good for lighting up my house at night too. So I've used it when I'm out camping, and it's great for that. And I've used it for when I'm here at home and have no power, so no lights. It's very flexible. It can light up a really large area. And I want to show you a little bit about this flexibility because it comes with a stand that the light can be placed on. So it's not just on the ground or hang, you know, you don't have to hang it from a tree. You can set it right in the middle of everything and get the best use out of it. So let me show it to you. Oh, and the other thing is it's of course rechargeable. It has rechargeable batteries and easily recharges with a USB cable. So simple and easy to recharge it and last for a long time. It's all LED lights, so casts a lot of light without using too much electricity. It lasts for a long time on a single charge. So here's the stand that it comes with, and there's a little button you push on the bottom, and it folds out, and you can unlock this thing, and it goes quite a ways up. So you can see, here's the bottom of the stand. I put it on the ground, and you know, it's a good 4+ feet high. And then here's the light that goes on top there, and you know, it can be put on top. One more. It can basically be as tall as you want. And this threads on there. It's easy enough to thread it on. And then it casts quite a light. And there's different levels. It also has a little light on top. I don't want to leave the light on while I'm filming because it'll overexpose the camera and then the shot will look terrible. But the light, it's pretty stable. You know, you could have a fair amount of wind and this thing might wobble a little bit, but it's stable. It's not going anywhere. And you can adjust it almost to whatever height you want. It could cover a very large area with it. And then these little individual panels also pop out. So you can pop these things out and, you know, have the angle of the light however you want. So it's super flexible. It's really good. It's a product that I really like, and so I do recommend it. Again, it's the Ogre Camping Light, and by Ogre, right? And it's available on Amazon and elsewhere.
Now, I did mention how the panels could be flipped out, and this is an example that shows how you could turn the panels and set it up for a wide area of lighting for a meal or for whatever other activity you have when you're out camping. Now, I mentioned that the battery is, of course, rechargeable, but I had not mentioned that it can be used as a power bank, too. So you could use it to charge your phone. That's very versatile and gives you different options. I know that I'll have mine out when I go camping this year, and that'll be really useful to have it. Anyway, it's available on Amazon and something good to have in many kinds of situations.